Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by opening the registry editor with administrator rights. This is required to make persistent input changes. Once open, immediately export a full backup so you can restore if anything breaks. Next, navigate to HKey current user /control panel /mouse where most per user mouse values live. You should visually confirm the current entries, double-click speed, mouse sensitivity, mouse speed, and swap mouse buttons because you will edit these numeric values directly. Make sure to record original numbers in a text file. Now perform the edits one at a time so you can test each effect. Double-click the value name, switch the type to string or DWORD as required, and enter the numeric value you want. Lower double-click speed makes detection faster. Increase mouse sensitivity or mouse speed for faster pointer movement. If changing swap mouse buttons, set 1 to swap or 0 to restore. After each change, press OK and do not close Regedit yet. Because registry edits take effect differently, you will next force an update or log off to apply changes. Once done editing, apply the changes by signing out and back in, rebooting, or restarting Explorer. EXE to force Windows to reload input settings. Make sure to test click speed, pointer acceleration, and button mapping right away. If anything goes wrong, unexpected behavior, or loss of control, restore the registry from the export you made earlier and reboot. As a final step, if problems persist, update or roll back the mouse driver in Device Manager, because driver issues can override registry tweaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.